Hi friends, welcome to Showcase channel. Today we are going to watch unboxing video of MI 4K TV. Model is 4X and parallelly we are going to review A to Z the feature of MI 4X TV. Come on, let's start. So this is MI TV 4X model. First is safety. So let's apply sanitizer and clean the box. Now let's start. The package is very lightweight and it is completely protected by Thermacool's safety add-ons. Here comes. In this package we have instruction manual and screws, a remote, smart remote. It's very slim and sleek, and two stand, table mount. There is no wall mount, I like to say that. So the installation guy will come and you have to purchase separately the wall mount. You have to pay separate. This is MI 4K TV. MI model is 4X. So this is 64-bit, 2GB RAM and 8GB storage. IPS panel, 4K Ultra HD display. It has 20 watt speaker, vivid picture engine and patch wall Android TV OS and 4K Ultra HD display comparison between non-4K. And the processor is heavy 64-bit quad-core processor, multiple ports, 3 HDMI, 2 USB port, 1 aux. So the remote is very slim and sleek, new technology. It is 360 degree, any direction you can operate the remote. Now we entered into the TV. So this is the dashboard of the OS. And here you have Netflix. Voice control is so precise. Play 4K video.
Playing 4K videos on YouTube.
Even you can talk in your mother language, mother tongue. So this is the 4K video. So clean and crystal picture. Can't compare with Sony 43-inch 4K model, but it's more than worth than the price. For this cheaper price, the best 4K TV it is. And the color is so vivid and so color contrast and equal color balance, auto color balance is there, and very fine quality of display, I can say, at this low budget. It's really pleasing. There's no too much brightness. The voice assistant is very clean. Play war movie 4K video song.
Okay, playing war movie full video on YouTube.
If you have to enter into your local setup box, you have to go to input and you have to select your HDMI port. Here now your local setup box will be connected. because most of the set-top box comes with HDMI.
ஓப்படமா நீ அப்பன் கேட்கல எவ்வளவு ஒரு அப்பாவி உங்களுக்கு நான் டாப் அப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான்.
So in the set-top box you need to change the settings for full HD, HD or 4K settings. Then only you can enjoy the quality with this TV. So this is the input, and now general settings. Here there were Wi-Fi. You can connect your Wi-Fi, and you have data saver. If you can't able to, then you have to give the proxy setting, or automatically it will happen. Inputs AV, HDMI, 3 HDMI port is there, so HDMI, and before that you need to sign in with your Google account. Then there's a TV guide, it will take you to. So Patchwall, YouTube, Netflix, these kind of apps are there. You can install and uninstall device difference. You can do your, it's morely like your mobile phone. You can be able to view all details about this OS and system. Sound setting, you can connect your sound through your AUX aux or your system speaker. So it is IPS display, so wherever you tap you won't see any flickering of light. Only one drawback I felt, if you connect your speaker within AUX cable, you can't interchange between your system speaker sound. For that you have to remove the aux cable. So this is the comparison between 4K, other 4K model TV, TLC, Nokia, MI stands first. Display is really fab. Speaker, they need to improve the bass of the speaker, and the loudness is somewhat okay, but it's not poor. Connectivity of internet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is so nice and fast, and screen sharing, there is no flickering between the screen sharing. Game effect is really awesome. You can play game. And internal storage, you don't, only 8 GB, so you don't need to store that much unloaded with internal storage. Only 4 GB it will left for the storage, so I recommend you don't store that much data. Then it makes your TV processor is slow. Rather than, it's a good TV for this budget. So I hope you all understand the features of MI 4K TV, and this video must be useful for you for the purchase. If you want, I'm adding the link where to purchase the TV in cheaper price below the description. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.